Make your move, cowboy.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Now, can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star, living like a rock star, living like a rock star, living like a rock star.
Here's why Tesla will hit 2,000 after hours. Guys, you know better than this shit. There's no way I would have made a prediction like this because the charts are pointing to exactly the opposite. The only reason I put this bullshit title out there is because nobody else would watch the damn video if I said that Tesla was actually going to drop. So if you remotely think that you're going to buy Tesla calls ahead of earnings and make money, damn it, I got some bad news for you. You're fucked. You're officially fucked, okay? By the way, this video will be posted before 4 p.m. before Tesla announces earnings on July 22nd, so there's no misunderstandings here. This video is predicting a Tesla drop. So bottom line, that's not even the question of the day. The more important question lies in the fact, what will actually happen to the market if the FANG stocks are starting on? That's not even the main question. The most important question is the fact if Tesla drops 300 bucks after announcing earnings, and it can happen in two scenarios. Number one, it shoots up temporarily higher and reverses in a move to formation, which clearly if you don't know what the fuck is a move to, you need to click the link below and find out. Or it suddenly drops just sharply right after announcing earnings. So it's not a matter of whether Tesla shares are going to be able to sustain this trajectory higher. I'm going to show you exactly why this is not going to be sustainable. But rather the question is whether you really understand the way the market works or not. So this could actually represent the beginning of the official bubble burst, guys. Yes, officially the market that has been climbing higher without no reason, no rhyme. And the only objection that people are saying is like, oh, the Fed is buying, therefore I should buy it, which we will address later in this video and tell you exactly what we think about that type of trading strategy. So, Leonardo, your imaginary bubble will never pop. Tesla is going higher. So let me show you why everyone is wrong. To bring you back to reality real quick, let's take a look at the chart of Bitcoin dating back to damn December 2017. December 2017. So here's what we got. We've got a chart very similar to how Tesla chart is looking right now. So pay attention, however, to a couple of simple things I'm going to point out on this chart. The main move in Bitcoin after it broke out above the 5,000 level and started hitting the 6,000 level from which it broke out. Okay, there was some pre-existing conditions to where actually there's a bunch of people who were taking money out despite of Bitcoin appreciating. Look at this red volume bars right here. Bar number 1, bar number 2, bar number 3. Keep that in mind as I'm going to show you the Tesla chart in just a second. So look at the formation of these candles. These are bear reversal candles when Bitcoin was hitting 20,000. The very first video I posted on this channel was actually predicting that Bitcoin was going to drop from 20,000 all the way down to 3,300 within 12 months, which is exactly what took place. So there's a lot of other details which I don't have time to talk about right now, which predicted this Bitcoin crash from 20,000 all the way to 3,300 within that 12-month period. Very similar conditions are observed in the Tesla chart. Now, some key understanding if you are a brand new investor, if you're a brand new trader, if you just think that shit just keeps going higher forever and ever, well, you should understand that that's what everybody thought when Bitcoin was going higher. As a matter of fact, when it was hitting the $17,000, $18,000, $20,000 level, the general consensus in the market was such that Bitcoin was going to hit $500,000, $1 million. There were people making all kinds of bullshit projections, okay, and then they were making excuses to fucking hodl, which means they were advising you to hold the damn Bitcoin all the way till it was falling and falling and fucking falling and falling, and they're still telling you to hold the shit, okay? Well, I got nothing against Bitcoin. I'm all about studying the charts. And if you guys don't know how to read the damn charts, okay, you should click the link below and start the charts divergence recognition course. It's going to help you nail some key trades like this. Basically, what I am saying is take a closer look at this Bitcoin charts, which primarily was driven higher by the retail investors. Most of the charts like this that are highly explosive, that take place within a very short amount of time, they are created for the wrong reasons, which are highly unsustainable. Understanding that is key, which is exactly what's happening with Tesla right now. The current move in Tesla is highly unsustainable, just like the move in Bitcoin back in December of 2017. So now that we refresh your memory on Bitcoin and what the fuck happened to Bitcoin when everybody was thinking it was going to the moon, let me show you some considerations you should be paying attention to on the Tesla chart. So same type of candles. Look at this. All right, these are bear reversal candles. If you don't know what the fuck they are, again, click the link below and learn some more information. But there's a ton of divergences. As Tesla chart, actually, the price action moves higher, you got divergences on the RSI. Do you remember the three red candles that I pointed out on Bitcoin chart? They're present right here, right now, in the chart of Tesla. Okay, you have MACD that accelerating to the moon. Okay, sudden acceleration in MACD factors like this, they resolve into sudden drops as well. I already shown you an accumulation distribution here has picked out, guys. But the crazy thing about this, okay, everybody and their mother-in-law has already bought the damn thing, and at this point, ahead of earnings, okay, they're trying to already take some money out of this thing. Okay, so right now the stock's trading about $1,611. Okay, it can easily drop to $1,300, which is going to be nothing because the stuff has already dropped. This stuff has already rocketed higher substantially. But that's not the most important thing. The most important thing, how does that translate onto the rest of the market? So stay with me. This Tesla chart breakdown actually gives us a better story overall of where the market is going as a whole. So with that said, the weekly chart on Tesla, guys, similar divergences on the RSI. You got double top formation right here. You got diminishing volume as the stock continuously trades or tries to trade around this level after this pre-existing drop of more than 500 points, meaning the stock was shooting up 200 and it dropped on the same day by 300 points. That's a daily trading range DTR of 500 points. That's freaking insane. Okay, so these type of trading conditions, while everybody's actually focused on trading this thing to the upside, the real trade was right here on the reverse side, which was representing the move to formation, which we informed our paying members about this type of formation before it actually happened. Now, Death Cross is about to happen right here when we take a look at this chart right here, guys, just a little bit closer. And so things are looking rather bearish at pretty much every single indication that which we track at 13 market moves formula, guys. So things are not looking happy for Tesla. Now, let me show you one headline that surfaced today, which was a huge one. Officially, United States declares a Cold War to China by shutting down the biggest Chinese consulate, which happens to be located in Houston. So in retaliation to that, what can we expect? Well, don't be caught completely off a surprise. I know CNBC ain't gonna tell you that shit that actually happens, okay, but here at 13 Market Moves, the way we make the money is by actually nailing moves and headlines before they actually take place. So don't be surprised if the next headline you will hear about Tesla outside of Tesla reporting earnings tonight is that China actually announces that it's closing the fuck out of the Tesla plant in retaliation to the consulate closure here in Houston, Texas. Guys, so don't be surprised, okay? These charts, they don't tell you specifically the reasons why things are about to drop, but they do show you specifics of why the drop is about to take place, and that's what the charts are pointing to, okay? And this is just a pure speculation on my end, but don't be surprised if this type of headline could be surfacing in the near future that Chinese are retaliating by shutting down Tesla plant over there. Now, nobody clearly is talking about it right now, but it could be all over the news in the near future in the course of the next 30 days. Now, there's another little problem with the Tesla story that I'm not sure why nobody wants to factor this in. You know, they think maybe Tesla's going to start manufacturing fucking cars that are going to fly to the moon. and we're gonna just avoid the coronavirus by flying the fuck out there. But the point is, okay, if everybody is going to work from home, okay, the question of the day is, who the fuck is gonna need the car, okay, and why? On top of everything, okay, besides the fact that, yeah, they did come out with this highly attractive lease at $4.99 a month, but who wants to lease a car? People that can't fucking afford to buy one. So, okay, more people are going to get in debt because of the lower artificial stage interest rates. Okay, that's a given. Okay, but the question is, okay, what is Tesla going to do if they're financing all the cars themselves when people are not going to be able to make the damn payment? Okay, so that's not factored in at all, this big shift into this work at home scenario. Okay, nobody's pricing it in. Everybody thinks that all of a sudden nobody's going to buy any cars at all and everybody's just going to want to drive a fucking Tesla. Okay, so let me just state this. Okay, what's happened in the market overall, okay, everybody believes that it's not going to touch Tesla in any shape or form, just like the earnings of Lockheed Martin. Okay, all these analysts like, oh, it's not going to be impacted by, you know, by coronavirus. They're gonna buy that shit anyway. So, but okay, then why is the stock dropping? Okay, so I'm gonna call this out, guys. The bullshit is over. This bullshit run higher in the stock market, it is over, and it is likely to begin with this drop in Tesla, which will take place over the course of the next 48 hours. So if initially Tesla stock shoots up higher after hours, okay, don't be posting no bullshit comments over here saying, oh, Leonardo, oh, see where the stock is going to be by Friday, 4 p.m., and it's likely to trade about $300 lower where it's currently trading. And just to reference the point, I'm recording this about 3:20 p.m. on Wednesday, about 40 minutes before the market closed. Last time I glanced at my screen, it was like just above 1,600, so maybe 1,611, 1,620 bucks, right around there. Okay, so the bottom line is it's very simple. Okay, United States keeps printing the fuck out of this money. Okay. And just keeps giving it to people, keeps stimulating the economy. You can get away with it for a certain amount of time, but bottom line, the basic law of economics is you cannot produce less and print more. That certainly does not equate to reason to buy stocks, because every other country that has tried to pull this shit off has miserably failed. And if you don't know any of the historic examples, you can study Germany back in the beginning of the 1900s. Zimbabwe, Venezuela, there's a number of great examples that will point to where the United States economy is actually heading with this unprecedented printing amount and with the economy actually producing less and less. So with that said, okay, you may say, Leo, I don't care. I'm buying because Federal Reserve is buying. And let me just say this. If everybody was to jump off a fucking bridge tomorrow, will you jump off the bridge? Will you jump off the cliff? Okay, just because, okay, somebody is doing something insanely stupid, okay, you don't have to join this. Okay, as a matter of fact, most of the fortunes in life are created not by following what everybody else is doing, but rather by creating your own ideas and what you personally think about a particular situation. But you'd better be able to back it up, okay, as I was able to do so with the Bitcoin projection, basically saying when it was hitting these crazy, insane levels, being able to point out why Bitcoin was going to drop to a critical level of $3,000, while the general consensus was that it was just going to continue moving higher, higher, and higher. So basically the point of this quick video, guys, is don't be sheep, because sheep don't make money. Lions will eat you alive, okay? So have your own mind and make your own decisions when it comes to trading, and certainly don't join the herd if you're trying to make a fortune, okay? Identify those divergences in the market kind of right now, and if you don't understand what a divergence is, how to utilize it to your trading advantage, okay, make sure you click the link below, get more information, okay? Because desperate Fed is certainly not a reason to buy stocks. So if you're using this analogy, oh, I'm buying stocks because Fed is buying, okay, it could work for a little while, and it could certainly work if you're a brand new trader, investor, and the trade's been going your way. But you don't want to get lucky as a trader. You want to be consistent as a trader. That's everybody's trader's dream. You don't want to be taking an accidental trade that makes you money. You want to be consistent with your trading. So if you haven't discovered how to do that yet, okay, then the type of market that we have right now, guys, it's just a matter of time before it's going to completely fall the fuck out. And the ideal scenario is you want to learn how to short stocks. Okay, and I'm not actually talking about Tesla. There is a reason why we're not putting a huge Tesla short right here, because the options are overpriced. And the way you make money with options, you buy options cheap, you sell them high. I know it sounds simple and crazy and easy, but in case of options, you actually have to understand these market conditions in order to be able to pull that off. Like some of my videos where I take 4K to 80K, 4K to 60K, 4K to 144K. So if you're not sure how it is actually possible to pull off results like this, okay, then definitely, okay, get more information because there's plenty of trades right now in the market that will produce results much better than Tesla. So click the link below, take action. Damn it, get off your ass, okay? Stop making a couple $100s a day. Start making fucking thousands of dollars a day. Let's roll. And don't miss out on the greatest shorting opportunity of a lifetime, which the market will present us with over the course of the next 6 months. Let's roll. I'll catch you on the next video. Let's do this.